Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what does Gear Up Booster do. So the first thing that you'll need to do, all you need to do, just go and open your preferred browser, go and type Gear Up and click on the first link. Once you do so, you will be taken here to their website. Of course, make sure to go and download it, or if you want to know before even downloading, what does it do? As you can see, once you open it up, the first thing that you'll see in front of your face is reduce ping for all games on any device. So as you can see, if you want to get rid of high ping, packet loss, spikes, and jitters, here we are. As your game network guardian, GearUp boosters will never let a poor internet connection stop your thrill gaming. So that's what it basically does. It reduces your ping, remove the packet loss and spikes and all the other annoying stuff that you encounter during playing your game. So it's basically do the latency reduction, packet loss prevention, platform compatibility. As you can see, it's compatible with Windows, iOS, Android, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Stream Deck, Pico, and Oculus Quest, or I don't know what that it is. As you can see, they are partnered with a lot of stuff and worldwide popular game all included. So as you can see, all the games. So as an example, I do have it here downloaded. And once you download this example, let's say in your PC or whatever or whatever you're using, as an example, it's auto detects my games. If I go to my games, as you can see, my games that I have installed on my PC is auto detected. So I can just go now and click on boost and boost that or reduce that ping on my game and start playing without any problem. Of course, if you want, you can also go here to shop and buy, as example, one of their routers that will give you, as example, a better experience. And yeah, that should be it for this video. So thank you for watching and I'll catch you again in the next video.